Dr. Copper's re-emergence as a commodity powerhouse has opened up significant opportunities for Aussie explorers looking to cash in. The resurgent copper price shouldn't come as a surprise, as Goldman Sachs and Ivanhoe's Robert Friedland both predicting earlier this year that prices will hit US $10,000 a tonne in the next 12 months. Well, these predictions were proven correct, and the bullish sentiment is one that is echoed by legendary investor Stanley Druckenmiller, who recently told CNBC that strong demand for copper from various growth industries, combined with supply imbalances as a result of the lead time to get new mines operational, should push the price of copper above and beyond new record highs in the next half decade. As of this week, the copper price is still hovering above US $10,000 a tonne, within touching distance of the record set in 2022 of $11,000 a tonne. It's against this backdrop that Aussie explorers such as Scorpion Minerals, GreenTech Metals and Horseshoe Metals have recalibrated and begun zeroing in on exciting copper targets across their various projects. GreenTech's status in the prolific West Pilbara lithium corridor is well known. However, a high-level review of its Wandoo Asia copper zinc mineral resource south of Karratha confirmed potential for significant resource expansion. Drill intercepts at the Austin, Shelby and Yannery prospects have led the GreenTech team to believe there is considerable scope to identify additional resource tonnes to enable a step change in the resource scale. In a nod to the growing significance of the red metal, GreenTech has found an ally to progress Wandoo in Anax Metals, with an MOU signed to jointly assess the potential to treat GreenTech's base metal assets at Anax's 80% owned, fully permitted William Creek processing hub. In a similar vein, Scorpion Minerals is set to pursue high-grade copper targets at its Mount Mulcahy prospect in WA's Murchison region, with the high-grade potential confirmed by historic diamond drilling from its South Limb pod zone, headlined by 6.8 metres at 4.9% copper, 3.7% zinc, 0.16% cobalt, 39 grams per tonne silver and 0.19 grams per tonne gold from 112.2 metres. Mount Mulcahy has an existing resource within the South Limb pod zone of 647,000 tonnes at 2.4% copper, 1.8% zinc, 0.1% cobalt and 20 grams per tonne silver, providing a very solid foundation to build upon as exploration increases. Significantly, the project lies in a similar geological setting to the world-class Golden Grove VMS deposit held by 29 Metals. And as the supply side for copper remains constrained, Horseshoe Metals' Horseshoe Lights copper gold project in the Bryah Basin is exploring a DSO opportunity of its existing high-grade copper stockpiles. Discussions are ongoing with parties that have expressed interest in the offtake of the DSO and potential future concentrates, including copper cement, produced at Horseshoe Lights, a promising early cash flow opportunity for the company. In parallel, a review is underway of the company's oxide and sulfide copper targets within a 200-kilometre radius of Horseshoe Lights, with the deposit currently containing an in-situ resource of 128,000 tonnes of copper metals at 1% and 36,000 ounces of gold. As we reach the halfway mark of 2024, it's apparent Dr. Copper is back in vogue. And with predictions that the copper price is still yet to reach its peak, it is the junior explorers poised to advance copper plays that should come under closer examination.